Number 33 and 34 or of UPCAT or College Entrance Test Math Review. Okay, so pause the video, try nyo munang sagutan bago panoodin yung solution ko. Okay, so number 33, what is the difference between 72,846 divided by twice of 3 and 75 multiplied twice? Okay, so gawan lang natin ito ng expression. So ang hinahanap natin, difference. What is the difference? Ayan. What is the difference? So ibig sabihin nun, subtraction. So lagay na natin sa gitna yung subtraction. Ano yung isasubtract natin? Difference between, ito, hanapin natin dito yung word na end. What is the difference between 72,846 divided by twice of 3 and ito yung naghahati sa kanila. So ibig sabihin, ang isa-subtract natin, ito yung nasa una, 72,846, i-divide muna natin by twice of 3. Twice of 3 ay ibig sabihin 2 times 3. Tapos yung word na end, yun yung maghahati. Ibig sabihin, ito naman yung after nung end, ito naman yung nandito sa, yun yung isasubtract natin. So, ang isasubtract natin ay 75 multiplied twice. Ibig sabihin, 2 times 75. Okay? So, yan na ang magiging expression natin. Okay, so evaluate lang natin ito. So, we have magiging 6 na ito, no? So, 72,846 divided by 6. So, i-manual divide lang natin yan. Minus 2 times 75. So, dalawang 75, that is 150. So, i-divide natin ito manually. 72,846 divided by 6. This is 1. 1 times 6 is 6. Subtract, we have 1. Bring down 2. So, 12 divided by 6, that is 2. 2 times 6, we have 12. Subtract 0. So, bring down natin yung 8. 8 divided by 6, we have 1. 1 times 6 is 6. Subtract, we have 2. Bring down 4. 24 divided by 6 is 4. 4 times 6, 24. And then last, 0 na yan. Bring down yung 6. 6 divided by 6 ay 1. So, eksakto na siya. 1 times 6 is 6. Wala nang remainder. So, therefore, we have 12,141. Subtract lang natin ang 150. Okay, so therefore, 141 na to, no? Tapos ito, 150. So, ibig sabihin, kulang lang ng 9. So, subtract lang tayo ng 9 sa 12,000. So, pag nag-subtract tayo ng 9 sa 12,000, ito yung magiging sagot, 11,991. Okay, so pakita natin para lang malinaw. 12,141 minus 150. Okay, so borrow lang tayo dito. 1 minus 0, 1. And then ito magiging 14. Itong 1 magiging 0, borrow 1 magiging 10, tapos ito ay magiging 11 na ito. Okay, so subtract na natin 14. 14 minus 5, we have 9. 10 minus 1, another 9. And then just bring down 11. The answer is 11,991, letter A. So medyo humirap lang ng konti ito kasi bawal ng calculator, pero simple lang ito. Okay? So next, number 34. Ang tanong sa number 34, which of the following number is the largest? Kailangan nating i-evaluate isa-isa. So, quantity 2 plus 2 plus 2 squared. So, unahin, i-add muna natin ito. Naka-parenthesis. Nasa labas kasi yung square. So, ibig sabihin, pag in-add natin yung tatlong 2, that is 6. So, 6 squared, that is equal to 6 times 6. The answer is 36. And then next, for letter B, evaluate muna natin ito. May parenthesis, no? 2 squared and then naka-square. So, 2 squared muna. So, pag in-evaluate natin 2 squared, 2 times 2, we have 4. May square pa dito. So, copyhin lang natin. 4 squared plus 2 squared plus 2. Ayan, pagsabayin na natin i-evaluate ito. 4 squared, 4 times 4, 16 plus 2 squared, 2 times 2, we have 4 plus 2. Pag in-add natin, 16 plus 4, 20 plus 2, we have 22. So, hinahanap natin largest. Ibig sabihin, mali na si letter B kasi mas malaki itong 36. Okay, so next, letter C. Okay, so may parenthesis din. Tapos, 2 times 2 times 2, tas naka-square. So, evaluate muna natin ito. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2, 8. So, we have 8 squared. 8 times 8, that is equal to 64. Okay, mali na si letter A. Mas malaki na si 64 kaysa kay 36. And then last, letter D. So, evaluate muna natin ito. 2 plus 2, so that is equal to 4. Naka-square dito, tapos naka-square pa rin siya. O, ito yung pinakamalaki, automatic. 4 squared, that is equal to 16. 4 times 4 is 16. Naka-square pa ito. So, 16 squared, 16 times 16, that is equal to 256. So, ang pinakamalaki ay si letter D, 256. Para po sa mga naghahanap ng murang UPCAT review, pwede rin ito sa ibang college entrance test. Ito po yung offer ko, 99 lang po ito, all in na. meron tayong 500 slots na available. So ito yung inclusion niya, 10 days math and logic tutorial via Zoom. Ito po yung schedule natin. MWF po ito, 7 to 9 p.m. Start ng June 8 hanggang June 29. Okay, so meron din tayong Google Forms reviewer para sa ibang subject, kagaya ng English, Filipino, Science, General Info, Abstract Reasoning. May mock test din po tayo, and then may only replay tayo ng mga past session natin. So itong mga Zoom meetings po natin, recorded po yan dito sa exclusive FB group tsaka sa GC natin. So ano pong inaantay nyo, mag-message lang po kayo sa akin sa aking messenger, RJ Enseñado. 500 slots lang po yan, 99 pesos, all in na po yan.